Guys, so today we're going to be reviewing Raw Study Circle Academy, which is in Bangalore. And for reviewing this academy, we're going to be visiting a very trusted website called blog.education. I saw this website is around 11 years old. It is actually one of the oldest websites that gives honest and unbiased reviews about any IAS coaching center in India. Not only that, they also give consolidated reviews from Facebook, Google, Justdial, Sulekha, so that you don't have to go to visit all of these websites to do your research about any institute. Blog.education does that for you. So more about this institute. So they prepare you for UPSC civil service exam, and they have a general studies classroom program for pre and mains that prepares aspirants holistically through a mix of classes, weekly tests, study material, daily current affairs. They also have daily current affair videos, and they also provide you with handouts. They have monthly current affairs magazine, and finally all India prelims test series and mains test series. The general studies mains and prelims classroom course is designed for fresh aspirants of civil service exam. So they have so as you can see here, our education has not given this institute a high ranking at all. In fact, they have a very low ranking on EduGorilla and Justdial as well. But our education, after a lot of research on different parameters, has given this coaching center a very average rating of 5 out of 10. This is their overall rating. You can also see the rating that our education has given this institute on different parameters, like their past year results, their infrastructure, their batch size, their faculty quality, their fees. So the pros of this institute, however, are that they have a good infrastructure, they have a good batch size. So their batch size is around 80 to 90 students per batch, which is not very low, but it is definitely not high, because there are many top institutes that have a batch size of 300 or even 400. So 80 to 90 students per batch, when you compare it, it's definitely not high. And they keep stressing that they ensure that every student gets 100% attention, that every student will get individual attention. This is stressed a lot on their website, and they give a lot of importance to every student. So they have very qualified and experienced faculty. They have an affordable fee that they provide you with, and their past year results are also fairly good. So their past year results will be listed on their website if you want to go check it out. And I think any website that lists their past year results definitely is a very credible website. So rank number 7 and 300 were from this website last year, and 302 total selections were from this coaching center. So their syllabus is prelims, main, paper 1 and 2, and current affairs and interview guidance. So they provide you with interview guidance as well. And when shortlisted, if you're shortlisted, then they provide you with interview guidance, so that you can improve on your answers, you can get the confidence. They have mock interviews. So more about this institute you can read on this page. It's a great institute, but most likely 20 or so teachers, out of 20 or so teachers, only a few knew how to teach. So it's a mixed bundle actually. Some teachers are really good, but some teachers are not. And because some reviews are really good. So you can see on this page, you can even find the most honest reviews from students who have studied in this institute. So one student over here is saying that there was no so they're giving a good review, so the teachers support them, and he's very satisfied with their way of teaching, and he was able to clear the exam. So one more review is there, and the important parts are underlined over here. So this review is really bad. They're saying that this institute just keeps asking for money, and some institutes do that. They charge money for every single thing. They provide you with books, they charge extra money from that apart from your fee, and registration fee. So all that is really bad. So this review is a really bad review. So you can see both good and bad reviews on this institute. Some of the cons of this website is that the management is not good. Compared to other institutes in Bangalore, the fee is a little high and all the optional subjects are not being covered by the institute, which is a really big con actually. So they have hybrid online batch as well in English medium, and that is new in this website. So it is a 10-month course, and they also have online live classes of 2 hours each, conducted from Monday to Friday, 3 months on-campus classes according to schedule, and teachers are the tests are released every Saturday but can be attempted with 100% flexibility. So this online online hybrid batch, they charge 1,40,000 rupees and 15,000 extra for level 2. So level 1 is the 10-month course and level 2 is the 3-month course which is on campus. So for the level 1 course, the 10-month course with live online classes is 1,40,000 and L2 is 15,000. So totally they charge around 1,55,000 for that course. So that is their new course, which is why I'm telling you about it. Apart from that, they also have weekday as well as weekend batch. Suppose you're a working professional or weekday is just not convenient for you, then you can definitely opt for the weekend batch as well. They have 2 to 3 classes on Saturday and 4 classes on Sunday of 2 hours each. So each class is 2 hours, and they have 3-month, so that is their level 1. Level 1 is 14 months. This is the on-campus weekend batch, and level 2 is 3 months again, and the classes according to schedule, and they have tests released every week. So this shows that they have a lot of mock tests, which is really good. This gives you confidence, and this also helps create a competitive environment. Now the on-campus batch is 1,75,000. So as you can see, it is a little pricey. They also have on-campus regular batch, which is again divided in 2 levels, and that costs 1,75,000 as well. So they give you a lot of, some of the course inclusions are that they give you blue workbooks, and that is their primary study material. So for example, for UPSC prelims and UPSC mains, you'll use these blue notebooks. And then they also have a focus magazine, which tells you about the monthly current affairs, that gives you notes and all the compilations made from newspapers, magazines, government sources, Yojana, Kurukshetra, etc. Then they have Prelims Compass, which is an annual revision study material based on C3, which is core, current and related concepts. Then they have Main Compass, and which compiles all themes important for the upcoming mains exams with probable questions and model answer structures. They also have General Studies class tests every Saturday, like I mentioned earlier, and also they have monthly current affairs test. They have prelims test series. So they have different kinds of tests. They have main test series, they have QIP prelims. So they have different kinds of mock tests, which gives you an overall knowledge and lot of confidence. They also have daily video lessons on current affairs from the Hindu newspaper. So they'll simplify the daily news and they make a video about it, so you can view that every day. They also have a mock video like that on their website. You can go and see that as well. Also on their website, they have videos, inspiring videos of those who have cleared the exams. So I think that this is really good. These are the contact details of this academy. This is their address, then their contact number, their fees for 9 months, 1.55 lakhs, but it depends on the batch that on the course that you take. If you take the weekend program, if you take the weekday program, it will differ a little bit. Their batch size around 80 to 90 students, and yeah, so they have good Google reviews, but I saw they have really bad EduGorilla and Gestalt reviews. So you can also see frequently asked questions will be answered on this page on blog.education. So I hope this was helpful to you all, and if it was, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to share this video with all of your friends who are also IAS aspirants. Thank you so much for watching.